What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this solid color waterproofing stain and sealer. This is BEHR product. I like BEHR paint. Yeah, BEHR paint has very good quality. All right, and right now this is, of course, outdoor deck paint, wood paint. We got this mixed up almost a month ago. So this is Cape Cod gray. I forgot to actually get a paint stick from Home Depot. I'm gonna spin it. This is kind of like, you know, it's gray but need a longer stick. Gonna mix this very well, a couple minutes. I actually see the type of gray coming out. It's a lighter gray. I guess we could have went with a darker color maybe, but we can always repaint, right? It's recommended that you put 2 coats on. I'm just painting the cracks real quick. Alright, you guys, it's looking okay, but I can kind of see the transparency of the red, so I think we will need the 2 coats. And plus on the can I think it says apply 2 coats. Alright, you guys, I am going to go ahead and just put my railing up, but right here, this Cape Cod gray, like this color here is not even close to the color that they have here. So it's actually a lighter color. This is more of a darker color, so we'll go with it with another darker color. I'm just going to go ahead to Home Depot. I'm gonna add some. I need to return it because this color right here don't even match anything on the paper. We'll shoot for a darker color. If not, we might even repaint the red just to bring the red back. But yeah, so that's the test piece for that one, and stay tuned for our next one.